Hello, my name is Monica McGillicuddy and I am with Monica's Beauty and Lifestyle right here on YouTube. And I am bringing you a wig review. This wig that I'm going to show you in a moment was sent to me complimentary from Wig Studio One. And I'm so excited because it is part of the Luxe collection, the new Luxe collection from Belle Tress. And it's a beauty. It really is. So I'm going to share with you what this was like when I unboxed it so you can see it. But before I go there, I thought I would just show you what I have on my head really quick. This is actually an oldie but goodie. And this is Cold Brew Chic. And I have her in honey with chai latte. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that's what I'm going to say. Anyways, I was sent complimentary this beautiful wig from Wig Studio One, and this is MAISON or MAISON, and however you pronounce it, I'm not too sure. And I have her in Sunkissed Almond R. This is beautiful. This is heat-friendly fibers. This is the packaging. It's just gorgeous. And what I was super impressed with the way this came. I'm going to take this out and show you, because this style has something called like some barrel curls. Sorry. It came with like protecting the barrel curls. I just thought that was the cutest thing. Let me take this off. Oops. You can see. This is absolutely, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Take a look at these fibers, the colors. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but this is really, I think the shade is absolutely gorgeous. So let me read to you about this shade. Sunkissed Almond R, which is 427, 613 plus 8. So there are a lot of different blends of fibers in here. It's a combination of medium and light brown. Absolutely agree with that. And highlighted with a light gold blonde. Yeah, for me this pulls warm. And a hint of cooler blonde. It is rooted with a medium and light brown. So you have a ton of different colors here, or shades I should say. The fibers are just absolutely beautiful. They're heat friendly. If you've never had a heat friendly wig before, they are, to me, it's my preference. If I can get heat friendly, I will, because I think it just looks so realistic. And if you can't get heat friendly and you have regular synthetic fibers, there's ways that you can take down the shine so that they also will look more realistic. But this is just gorgeous. So this particular piece, part of the Luxe collection, I'm going to show you the inside first. I mean, this is the full mono right here. Absolutely beautiful. Temple to temple lace front. Silicone around the ear tabs. The lace front, I think, with Belle Tress has just been absolutely beautiful. Hand tied. So you're going to get, and the way they do it, the way they do the hand tied, and they have these full caps like this, the way they have I think the fibers going makes it so that it doesn't get hot. You're not going to feel hot in it. So it's really nice. I really like this a lot. You've got plenty of room here if you want to cinch it in. Belle Tress runs a little large on me, so I do have to cinch it in. I have a 22-inch circumference, and I do have to definitely cinch it in. But this is beautiful. Let me just take a look at the cap so I'm not missing anything that I want to tell you. Luxurious heat-friendly fibers. and gorgeous, gorgeous lace front, without a doubt. Belle Tress has beautiful, beautiful lace fronts, super comfortable. And what I was trying to say is they have their caps sort of a multi-directional, the way the fibers and everything is in there, so that it really gives you some really nice ventilation. It's a unique process, but it's nice, really nice. So full monofilament cap. And again, this is, I think, a MAISON, and this is from Belle Tress, part of the Luxe collection. I'm going to show you what this looks like just putting her on my head. Take this one off. And this will be, of course, not styled, right? I have not combed it. I have not done anything, but I think sometimes it really is nice to be able to see. I just want to make sure I have this at my ear tabs. Nice to be able to see, you know, what something looks like directly out of the box. Because first of all, if you're not used to wearing wigs and you have your first wig and you put it on your head, you're going to feel like you're bozo, really, because all of a sudden it's going to just feel like there's a ton of fibers and you're just going to feel overwhelmed. So I'm going to just do a quick spin. Again, this is not combed through. You've got the barrel curls. I just think the way they packaged the barrel curls, I just think that is so adorable. So I'm going to go comb this through, and then I will be right back and just kind of show you, I'm going to position it a little bit different, just kind of show you what it looks like after I play with it for a moment or two. So I decided not to really comb this out. It does have a tiny bit of box hair in the back, but that's so easily taken care of, especially once you wet it down. It does want to flop slightly here, but I'm not worried about that at all because I know a little bit of water and I can actually, you know, probably do my little bit of heat and I can style this off my head if that's what I want. Whenever I have a piece that I'm going to style and I'm not too sure exactly how I'm going to style it yet, I tend to not do anything with it. I play with it. I put it on a wig stand. I might wet it down, let it dry naturally, but I look at it, I get the feel for the wig before I do anything to alter the style. I think this is so cute. I love the barrel curls. You could comb them out and then just have more of a beachy wave. I like the combination of it. I love the length. I think this length is absolutely perfect. And surprisingly, when I first looked at this in the box, I thought the fibers looked really dark. But surprisingly, I think the color's really nice. And let me just give you a close-up view of that lace front. Again, temple to temple lace front. Hand tied, plenty. You've got a full monofilament here. That means that you can change the parting style if you want. Now, again, I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to wait till I get a feel for it, and maybe I will change the part. And it's so easy to do with a little bit of heat. These heat-friendly fibers, you do have to take special care of them. You know, you want to make sure that you do comb them out with a wide tooth comb. You use really good products on them just so that your fibers last longer, but they look so darn realistic. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. Now, this is part of that brand new Luxe collection from Belle Tress, and it comes in 12 new colors. So if this one isn't for you, head on over to Wig Studio One. I'll make sure I link all that information. Head on over, and you'll probably find another color. But I think the really cool thing is when they come out with new colors, right, being able to see them on someone. So I'm inside my filming area, and I do have a light so that I am lit, but I'm going to take my camera outside and I'm going to show you right now what this looks like in the natural light. It's a bright sunny day in April, and Everything is still kind of brown outside. There's not a whole bunch of green trees or any flowers or anything like that because it is April. But take a look at the colors. I think these colors are absolutely beautiful. And look how they flow. There's not any wind, so I'm just going to shake my head so you can see it that way. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So again, this was sent to me complimentary, Wig Studio One. You're probably watching this on Wig Studio One's YouTube channel. And if you are, then you have all the links available. But just let me tell you, this is really a pretty piece. Low density. I'm not feeling any at all permatease. And I think with a hand-tied full cap like this, it's really difficult to do any kind of permatease. And it doesn't need it. You know, if I want to, I could take some of this and just build it up. I could also pin this up. I could wear this in an updo. And that, I think, would be really cool. So I am really liking this color. And the fibers are just, what can I say? Perfect. The fibers are perfect. The cap, I'm surprised, right? Because a lot of my Belle Tress I have to cinch in. I put this cap on and I did not cinch it in at all. And I have a 22-inch circumference. So I must say that this is fitting me really nicely. Feels secure, snug. I do have a wig grip on and a wig cap underneath. But it's awesome. So thank you so much to Wig Studio One for giving me the opportunity to share this look with you. And I hope you like it. And if you do, check out all the different colors. It's really amazing. Belle Tress, I think, knocked it out of the park with this Luxe collection. And if you're worried about the pricing, always check out the website, Wig Studio One. Check out their open box or the clearance section. You never know. People return something because it's not for them. And there's always sales. I think last time I looked, it was like 30% off or something like this. There's always sales going on. So check that out and don't let the price deter you, because I think once you have one of these, you know, hand-tied, full cap like this, lovely monofilament so you can part it anywhere, and just the exquisite, yeah, that's what I'm going to say, exquisite lace front. Perfection. So realistic. So realistic. I love it. I hope you do too. Bye-bye.